Another benefit of glass curtain walls is that they provide a sleek and modern look to a building. This is because they create a seamless appearance that blends the interior and exterior of a building. Additionally, glass curtain walls can be designed in a variety of shapes and sizes, which allows architects to create unique and visually appealing structures. A curtain wall is a highly architecturally significant construction, mainly used in commercial buildings, covering small or large areas. Most buildings are aluminum frames with various structural materials such as glass, composite panels, ceramics, marbles, and so on, above or inside. Exterior and interior members are joined internally with injection molded thermal package joints, providing complete thermal insulation and superior thermal performance.